YouTube channel SS Fashion World Sarita. Please subscribe our channel if you haven't yet, because daily we upload the videos related to the sarees that we manufacture. And to be updated about the latest designer sarees and the latest trending sarees, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon beside it. Okay, today in this video, I'm going to show you the most beautiful royal blue color sarees. As you can see, all the sarees here are completely in royal blue color. And along with the royal blue sarees, I'm also going to show you the Bahubali color combination sarees, which are recently famous. So before going into the video, let's know why we are making this specific video of royal blue color sarees. As we know, when we buy sarees from the market, we often find that the color of the sarees is shading off. After every wash, the color of the saree becomes paler and paler, and finally the saree's elegancy is completely reduced. So for the royal blue favorites, this video is dedicated. So if you are a favorite of the royal blue, then watch the video till the end. And also for the Bahubali color combination sarees, watch the video till the end. Okay, quickly let's get into the video. So this is our first saree of the video. As you can see, this is very nice royal blue in color. We find dollar booties all over the saree and they are very elegant, woven with the gold zari. And it has got nice creeper border, 1 inch in size. All the zari booties and the border gives a very elegant look to the saree. And the pallu is given with the zari lines. A rich pallu. This fabric is pure georgette and it requires rolling after every wash. And the blouse is very bright with the golden booties given all over it. As you can see, the blouse is 1 meter and the length of the saree is 5.75 meters. The price of the saree is 2000. And this is the second saree. This has got nice lotus booties all over the saree. And as I told you, this is also a royal blue saree. The border is 1 inch gold border with a slight leaf design. It's looking very elegant. And the pallu is completely woven one. Zari lines are running through the pallu. And coming to the blouse, as we saw earlier, it is also a gold booty blouse. The blouse is very bright and gives a nice patchwear look. You might be thinking that this cloth is not comfortable because of the zari, but this is pure georgette fabric and it is absolutely comfortable and can be carried all the day. And this saree also requires rolling after every wash. All the sarees now what I am showing you are completely manufactured by us. So as we are the manufacturers, we give you all the sarees at very reasonable price. If you purchase the georgette sarees in the market, you find them priced at 4,000 to 8,000. But as we are the manufacturer, we are just selling this beautiful saree to you at just 2,500. And this is the third saree we are watching. It has got nice shibori print in the middle and plain borders on both sides with 1 inch zari kadi border. This gives a nice look to the saree. All over the saree we find this pattern and this is called shibori. This is very trending now and the color is also perfectly good. And coming to the pallu of the saree, we gave it plain as the border, and blouse is also similar to the pallu. The saree is priced at 1600. This is also a pure Georgette saree and it also requires rolling after every wash. And now we are watching Bahubali color combination sarees. So this is the first saree in those collection. The base is nice royal blue color and the pallu border are nice rama green in color. We find the zari lines running all through the saree and 1-inch curdy border on both sides. This is very elegant and nice. This is a chiffon fabric and it's very comfortable and very easy to carry. And coming to the blouse, it's very elegant with small booties all over it. We have also given nice royal blue pattern border for the sleeves. This gives nice stylish partywear look. The blouse is 1 meter long and the saree requires rolling. And the saree length is 5.75 meters. And the saree is priced at 2500. If you want to purchase any of the sarees in the video, contact to the number displayed on the screen. Take a screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp it to our number. Online transactions are available and we provide you courier service. And the next saree is fantastic one. It's completely woven with the zari thread. As we can see, the zari is very bright and the complete woven design makes the saree look very rich. This is a bridal collection. We can also say it as a festive collection saree. As we can see, all the body of the saree is completely woven with the zari. And the border has got nice booties on it with the curdy border running on both sides of the saree. And the pallu is in contrast, that is rama green. It is also completely woven. And at the end of the pallu, we give nice flower bunches and this makes the pallu look very rich. And on both sides, we find the same border running along the saree. And coming to the blouse, it is very beautiful with the same border given for the sleeves. And remaining part of the blouse is given with nice booties. This saree is complete bridal wear and also a festive wear saree. This is a pure Georgette saree and it priced at 3500. Not only these sarees, you can also order us in bulk quantities if you require sarees for any occasion or as a dress code or for any organization and etc. As we are the manufacturer, we provide you wide variety of fabrics and wide variety of collections of designs. So subscribe our channel to get more updates of the sarees. Okay, let's see the next saree. And this saree is linen jute fabric and the base color of the saree is nice rama green and the border and pallu are given in royal blue color. We can see all over the saree we have got nice pink and orange booties. They are very elegant and giving a rich look to the saree. This is a pure linen jute saree. It doesn't require any rolling, but the sarees which I have shown you before requires the rolling. And this is a 1 meter pallu. And coming to the blouse, it is given in contrast to the saree. Nice rama green blouse with all over zari booties, woven one, and royal blue border for the sleeves. This is very elegant and gives a rich look. As I said before, we are the saree manufacturers daily we make new designs of sarees and new type of fabrics. So if you want to watch all those nice collection of sarees and to be updated with the latest trends in the sarees, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and thank you for watching once again.